Modern classrooms are evolving. Interactive smart boards are transforming how teachers deliver lessons. But with innovation comes a challenge. How do you protect your investment while still supporting traditional teaching methods? Introducing Acoomat sliding ceramic boards, the smart way to combine digital learning with traditional classroom writing. Simply slide the ceramic panels sideways to reveal your smartboard when it's time for interactive lessons. Need space to explain concepts, write notes, or demonstrate calculations? The high-quality ceramic writing surfaces give teachers ample room for traditional instruction. When the smartboard is not in use, close and lock the panels to protect the screen from accidental bumps, scratches, or vandalism. The result? A sleek, organized classroom where traditional teaching blends seamlessly with digital technology. Acoomat sliding ceramic boards. Protect your investment, expand your teaching space, modernize your classroom with confidence. Acoomat, smart solutions for smarter classrooms.